Welcome to the brand new 2022 Chevrolet Silverado Trail Boss. This beautiful Trail Boss is powered by the 5.3 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the truck: power windows, locks and mirrors, drivability dial, push button 4x4 and automatic headlights and fog lights, a leather wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, column shifter, push button ignition. We have a nice large 8-inch touchscreen, dual zone climate control with heated front seats, integrated checker braking system. Truck does have dual USB ports as well as an outlet up front. All black interior, Bose audio, and our heated leather seating up front of the Silverado. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Trail Boss, we do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler Autotrac all-terrain tires, color matched door handles with keyless entry up front, Z71 badging on the front fender. The Trail Boss comes with the factory 2-inch lift, giving you that extra room for the big wheels and tire packages. Coming to the front of the Silverado, color matched front bumper, grille, red tow hooks, parking sensors, as well as LED daytime running lights and fog lights. Making our way to the back, rear tinted privacy windows, crew cab truck, Trail Boss decal on the rear. At the back, color matched rear bumper with rear parking sensors, trailer tow package, LED brake lights, as well as the easy open close Silverado LT tailgate. Jumping into the interior here, second row, leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready as well with in-seat storage feature. We have a sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top and LED lighting with a single pane sunroof. You do have dual USB ports there as well. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.